What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mo Christine. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome and subscribe. Mo Adventures, Mo Adventures, Mo Ventures. On today's episode of Mo Ventures, I mean, we're still in quarantine. Things are slowly opening up, but my wax lady, she ain't open yet, and I miss her and I need her so bad. So this episode is gonna be Mo DIY waxing my armpits. Tasha's gonna do it, but you know Tasha, faceless but not nameless. So you're gonna see her in it, but you're not gonna see her in it. So you know, she's like behind the camera right now, but she don't want you to see. We are going to make homemade wax. Shout out to my girl Zola. She wants a shout out. She's over here. So what do you need? You need 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of salt, a medium-sized pan, and a spatula. All right, you guys, so we are going to make this and then we are going to wax my armpit. I miss you, Winnie. It's my wax lady. All right, let's do this. All right, so we're going to make a sugar wax. We are going to place our sugar. One teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of water, our lime juice, and then we are going to turn the heat on medium. So the instructions told me to put the stuff in before I turn the stove on. So don't judge me, y'all. I'm just following the rules. We set our heat to medium so the wax doesn't burn. Keep stirring until it's boiling and then stop stirring. All right, y'all. We're going to let the mixture boil until it begins to turn golden brown. I'm letting Tasha wax my armpits, y'all.
What was I thinking?
You guys, I've been using the wax strips and they're not doing it. So we are trying this. I don't know if you can see it, but it's turning brown. Patience is key, guys. It does take quite a bit of time, but we're getting there. All right, so we're getting to a golden brown, and once it turns golden brown, we have to turn off the heat and allow the sugar wax to cool. All right, we don't want to leave it in the pot for too long because the pot is still hot, so we're just gonna pour it into a heat-safe bowl so it can cool. It looks good, guys. It looks good. Look at it. All right, you guys, so now that we've made it cool for a bit, it is obviously thicker. Now it says that you should be able to make a ball out of it. So I think we've reached the consistency where we can wax my pits. What you think? Okay, you guys, wax is ready, Tasha's ready, armpits hairy, ready to go. It's really thick. Okay, I'm scared.
It looks like caramel.
It looks like caramel.
Ew. Ooh.
All right, you want to show them the consistency there? We got it there.
That feels like it.
Okay, so how are you gonna rub this on now? You have to make a ball? Don't you have to like rub it on and then?
No, I have to make a ball first.
Hopefully they don't hear the rip.
Here's Obi. She's been in it. She's been our little helper.
They're being very quiet. Oh my god.
Okay, so we have the ball. How are you gonna do this? You're gonna spread it on? Let's do it. Okay. So how you doing?
I don't know. You said put it on.
Oh god.
Okay. Oh, I feel the like pull. No, I'm scared, yo. I'm scared. No, I'm scared because the thing.
I don't want to hear the scream. I don't want to hear the scream. I don't want to hear it.
Okay. So we have it on.
I can see your hairs through it.
Now it's time to pull. Okay.
I'm pulling it.
Okay. Okay. So which way are... Oh God, I felt that. I felt that. Okay, just do it really fast. Okay. Ready?
One.
Go fast. I'm so scared. Ready, set, go! Ah! What the? Did it even do
Ooh,
anything?
it got some out.
I got some.
Why are you showing that?
Wait. Can you see?
Right
A little
there.
bit right there. Okay. So it wasn't that bad. This is just bringing me back to old times when I go to my wax lady. I'm just supposed to, yeah. Okay. Let's do it again. One, two, three. Woo! Okay, it's doing it. Okay. These are reusable wax balls, whatever you call it. They're reusable, so we're using the same ball to.
It's full of hair.
Okay. She exposed him.
Sorry for headphone users.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
Yeah, headphone users, I'm very sorry.
No. Okay, let's use another strip. Let's just use another strip because we're gonna try pulling it the opposite way. Ready, set, go. Ow!
Go follow me on Instagram, Princess Zola. Oh yeah. I totally know how to advertise my Instagram.
Anyways, let's get to waxing. Oh, it's pretty good. It's doing the job, guys.
It worked.
Not bad. I choose waxing over shaving, nearing, because my wax lady told me, nearing darkens the skin, and then shaving, obviously, you get the razor bumps and all that stuff. So waxing it is. Or if you do laser and stuff like that, then you get
Laser.
Harry, Larry, Mary is gonna get waxed. Okay. Ooh, it's warm. I can feel it like already like pulling, like as you're putting it on, it's just pulling the hair. All right, it's on. Let's do this. I'm just gonna close my eyes because I don't, like, I'm anticipating the pull already. Okay. Okay, do it fast. Ah!
Sorry, headphone users.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that pulled. Holy, no, look at that. You gotta show that. Show that. Wow.
People are probably deaf right now.
Okay. Why are you making your face like that? It pulled from the root. Like the root. You can see the root. Holy. Wow. Alright. Yeah.
Ready?
Ready as I'll ever be. This wax is good. Recommended. All right, there you have it, guys. Pits are waxed. Overall, pretty good experience. Didn't hurt too much. Same pain that you get with the wax lady. Easy to do. It is a sure wax, so it's all natural. It's inexpensive, so that's a plus. And you do it at home in the comfort of your home. Highly recommend when you're in quarantine. Just make sure you have someone that's willing to, pull it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you on the next one. Okay, you know what? This whole like audience thing, I can't do. Everybody's watching me.
What do you think it's like on a film set? There's like 60 people looking at it.
Oh my gosh. That's it, folks. Want some more? Click subscribe below.